Hey everyone, today I want to show you the plants I have indoors. First I want to start off with this, which is my favorite, pathos on a moss pole. I grew this really small from the bottom and I put a moss pole which is inside a plastic fence which I zip tied to a pole so it stays stable. And it slowly started climbing up. It has roots inside the moss pole. As it started to grow, we moved it outside, so wind pushed it off, and it isn't fully attached. But you can see that the leaves progressively grow bigger and bigger. For this one, we made the moss pole too small, so it didn't put any roots inside, but it's still wrapped around because we moved it manually, which still looks really good. On this side, we have another houseplant called a Monstera Adansonii, which is also on a moss pole. The roots here have gone inside, which attaches itself, not only makes it climb up, but also grows bigger and better. Behind this, we have a moss wall, which looks really pretty, along with grow lights so that the plants can actually get enough sunlight inside. On this side over here, to go up the stairs, we have a large tree. I forgot the name of this, but it's been growing really nicely. Almost has zero care, but grows beautifully in this large pot. This over here is another big pathos plant that we kept in a big pot. We just bought this from Home Depot, but as it grew, we bought this bamboo stick and we wrapped the pathos around and around instead of letting it climb on the floor. This helped it look really full and also has no maintenance, unlike the moss pole. The moss pole is really high maintenance because you have to keep watering it. But for this, if you just keep wrapping it around and around, it'll keep looking fuller and grow without any help. We just bought this off Amazon, or you could just use 2 sticks. Anything will work. We also have 2 fiddle trees, one near the window and another one near the lamp. Both are growing fine. Then lastly, in this room, I wanted to show you the orchid I have, which has its 3rd spike, which is about to give another full set of orchids. This is its 3rd time. First time it was already there since we bought it from the store. Second time was last year, and now it's the 3rd time. Every now and then you need to water this with nutrient fertilizer because I planted this in bark, since orchids grow in bark, not soil. And in nature, the tree's bark has nutrients. But since these barks aren't connected to the tree, you need to manually water them and fertilize them. We also have a croton here. This is usually outside, both of these crotons, but since it's winter, we kept them inside, since it also looks pretty because of the colors. That's it for my main indoor plants. All the other ones are just small hanging plants here and there for decor. See you in the next video.